When you emulate a hardware synth, you can go for a faithful 101 reproduction or do what Baby Audio has done with a BA-1 synth. You take a synth, in this case the Yamaha CS01 mono synth from the early 1980s, and look how you can improve it. I think it's smart that Baby Audio has added a second oscillator with mixer mount, a special FM oscillator, and all sorts of switches for sync and different modes. Anyone who has ever worked with a synth knows that effects have a huge impact on the sound of that synth, and the BA-1 is not lacking in this regard, with an LFO, sidechain, tone, drive, delay, reverb, chorus and battery effect. It also comes with a speaker emulation on top of that. Keep watching this video to find out how all of that sounds. To please your eyes, this plugin comes with 3 playful and 1 neutral grey skin. So how cool, useful and flexible of a synth is this, and will it be something you want to check out? Well, if you go through the presets, you'll see that there's already a huge diversity. I wouldn't say low subby, sine wave type like sounds are the strong point of this synth, and the same goes for electronic drum sounds. Pads, sustained sounds and anything in that area is a strong point of this synth, with lush, thick synth pad sounds like this synth-wave loop. The drums are there for context and not part of this plugin, obviously. This is the top synth. Here's the bottom synth. And how about this one? Here are 4 instances of BA-1 playing together. If you recognize the tune, let me know in the comments. And here is each of the 4 synths individually. BA-1 is absolutely great in these type of big, thick analog synth sounds, and I love the sounds that this Baby Audio synth can produce. That's one part of the sounds, there are many other good sounds as well. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you liked this video so far. This video is made possible by DistroKid. Cover songs is probably one of the many types of songs you would love to do, but uploading to a streaming platforms is always a hassle due to copyrights and required fee because you cover an original song. DistroKid makes this very easy for you by offering the option to do this all for you for $12 per song per year when you have a DistroKid subscription. Use my link in the description to get 7% off of your first year on DistroKid. Here are some more sounds of the BA-1. If you're stuck on an idea, use the Regen Randomizer button. The BA-1 has Midi Learn, so controlling, let's say, the filters from your Midi keyboard is possible. With this synth, it really pays off to automate some of the controls. Check out this REESE synth preset I adjusted. Drums are again not part of the synth. Here's the synth only. Sound-wise, I think the BA-1 is great. Thick, lush analog sounds all over this little beast. You might think the effects aren't enough, but for that, Baby Audio has plenty on offer, like the effects plugin, which is displayed on screen and linked in the description below. Let me know in the comments what you think of this plugin, and I'll see you in the next one.